Well, let's take a look at what is happening in the markets, and we start off with the local bourse, which has slipped into the red today, slightly though, seeming that markets are in limbo at this point. Of course, we are awaiting the October consumer inflation print that is coming out tomorrow, and then on Thursday, after that, we will be getting the South African Reserve Bank's last monetary policy decision for the year. As we have seen, the all share declining slightly 0.07%, with the industrial 25 carrying the bulk of the losses that we are seeing. Down almost 1/3%, with the resources 10 complex slightly down just over 1/10%, but backing that trend is the financial 15 with a gain of more than 0.4%. Let's take a look at Wall Street. And on that front, we are awaiting NVIDIA results, which are coming out today. Of course, ahead of that, we did see investors plowing in, as we saw the share yesterday trading at a near all-time high. We did also get some results coming out of the retail sector, with Best Buy and Lowe actually disappointing on quarterly earnings over there. And of course, we are awaiting the Fed's minutes from its November meeting out later tonight as well. A sea of red over there on that front though. S&P 500 declining almost 0.5%, with the tech-heavy Nasdaq carrying the bulk of those losses, declining more than 0.9%, and the Dow shedding 0.28% there. Let's take a look at what is happening in the European markets. Quite a mixed picture there across the Atlantic, with the DAX being the only bourse in the green, up almost 0.5%. The CAC 40 carrying most of those losses, declining by 0.5%. FTSE 100 down 0.14%. Let's take a look at what is happening on the currency scene and start off with how the rand is doing against some of the major currencies. Some weakness coming through to the rand there. Now standing just below 18 Rand 50 against the US dollar, against the pound at 23 Rand 17, and against the euro at 20 Rand 23.